Hey guys, it's Bonnie from Bolderbon. Welcome back. Before we get started, let's talk about this crazy pink hair. Alright, so I know it's been a long time since I've done a face-to-face video with you, and I thought today would be the perfect time since I have this vibrant pink hair, and I thought you guys might want to check it out. Now I have to preface this with I have never really done anything bold and crazy with my hair. It's always been super long and either natural or blonde highlight, so I've always just stuck to plain Jane with my hair, and I thought it was time for a big change. The brand is called Arctic Fox. I'm not sure what this actual color is called, but I'll leave that link down below if you guys want to check it out. It is so super fun. It is a semi-permanent color, so eventually it will wash out and I'll get my blonde hair back. But I don't know, I might be keeping this for a while. It is so fun. If you guys have dyed your hair fun colors, definitely let me know down below. Maybe I will try them out. So let's get started with today's vlog. I have been rearranging my back shelves here, and I thought that I would show you me putting together the new cubes that I have for these two shelves. I actually have a few new products, so I wanted to make more space to have all of those here for that. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, last week our shop launched these brand new binder rings. I have 4 different colors and lots of them, so I wanted to make sure that I got some space on the IKEA shelves here so that when I'm packing orders I can just grab and go. I had all of the planner discs in both of these cubes here, but I wanted to make sure that I put some of the rings here. Now I don't think I'm going to be able to fit all of the rings, so I'm just going to split them up into 2 sections. I also got these brand new plastic like separator shelves so that I can put the different colors in between them. I did do a measurement on these, so I'm hoping that they'll work. I haven't tested them out yet, so let's cross our fingers. Alright, I put these little plastic sliding bins together. They come in a set of 4. There's like a large one and then a small one. So here's the moment of truth. So, uh-oh. Oh no. Okay, it's going to fit. Yeah. Wow, guys. Alright, so let's see. Here's the other large one. The large one's not going to fit on top of the other large one. Let's just put it down here. I have a switch here to turn my above light on, so I'll just have that stick out. Okay, alright, and then the small one should fit as well. Let's see. It does, guys. Oh my gosh. Can you believe it? Alright, so the small one will slide out. Let's see. Okay, so the bottom one slides but brings them both with it. So I guess I could just slide the small one if I need to get back there. Ooh, alright, so I think that this is going to work out great. I'll leave a link to these down below because I know a lot of you guys have these IKEA shelves. Oh. Don't know what that was. I'll leave a link to these down below because I know a lot of you guys have these IKEA shelves just like me, so if you're interested, Yes, I will probably be getting more of these. All right, so let's test this out first and put the planner disc in here, and then I will separate all of the binder rings and maybe put it down on the bottom here. Oh my gosh, this is perfect. All right, so I have all of the gold discs in here. I don't have as many of the rose gold. We're actually really running low on the rose gold, but I'm going to put them in here anyways. I'm not sure if we are going to restock the rose gold. I think we might only have 10, it looks like. Maybe just one row, and then I'll do a third row of the gold discs when I have a chance. But I think I'm going to stick to doing the binder rings for now, and I'll leave this row open for more of the gold discs. Oh my gosh, love it. All right, yay! All right, I packaged up a bunch of the binder rings. I think I'm going to use the larger rack. That way these will be already packaged up and ready for the shop. And then I'll leave these ones for the leftovers. So let's put these up here. Alright, it looks like I could have packaged up a ton more. Since I am using the larger one of the bins here, this could totally double stack, so I'm so excited. Now I do have 4 different colors for the binder rings, and it only fits like 3 side by side. So I think what I'm going to do is put the gold, black, and rose gold on the bottom, and then double stack it with all of the silver binder rings. So I will finish that later. Now I thought it would be super fun to change out my compact vertical planner into these binder rings because I have been dying to use these in my planner as well. So I think what I am going to do is use the gold ones for now. All right guys, I thought I would turn the camera around so you can see my normal setup with my planner and my hands here. Don't mind the pink nails there. So this is my compact vertical planner, the Erin Condren in the ring bound binder here. I absolutely love this binder, but I have been just dying to get back to a planner that you can just flip to one side, and I thought that these rings would totally do that for me. I do have the planner disc, but these are already punched for A5 size, so the rings are definitely going to be a very good option for that. So I think I'm going to leave half of the planner in here and take this half out. Yeah, I do want to keep my beginning pages inside my planner for now because I do like to reference them. So let's take it all the way out to December, and then that way I have January all in here. Yeah, let's take all of December out. And all right, yeah, I think I'm going to leave all of 2023 in here. It goes just to April, so just 4 months in there. I do want to take some of the note pages and the sticker pages. Let's take 2 of the notes, yeah, and we'll take all of this and put it in there as well. All right. Right up until the notes. I do have plenty of notes in here, and I also bought some more notes, so I can like take these out. I might put the like one in between each one of the months because I do like to use these to keep track of all of my tasks. I'll do that later though. Let's just get this started and see how I feel about this. All right, so I think this chunk is what I'm going to put on my rings for now. All right, so I decided to go with the gold. So torn now that I have the rose gold, black, and silver, but I guess I have all of them so I can switch them out whenever I want to. Let's just put these off to the side first. Now, I'm gonna take smaller portions, and I think that that might be the best way to do that instead of putting them all through. Yeah. Let's make sure they're all in there. All right, good. So that'll get my base started. I could probably do all of them, but I'm just being a little overly cautious here. Make sure that they're all lined up. I don't like to ruin any of my pages, so I don't want them to get crinkled in the process. All right. And you know, I have lots of Erin Condren covers from my old like disc planners, the coil bound planners. I might actually cut that up and cut it into A5 size, since I don't see myself going back to 7x9 anytime soon, but you never know. I do like changing my planners out a lot lately. Oh my gosh, I love that. Yay. All right, so I have my spot here. Oh, I didn't put this in. Well, good thing it was still there. So let's just open these guys up. Ooh, easy peasy. All right, so this is my spot right now in the planner, and yay. Oh, I have been dying to do that. Now it really is a petite size A5. With the binder, it just makes it like double size. Now they do have the coil version of the A5 size as well, but now that I have the ring bound bug, I want to add my own pages to this. So I'm definitely a ring bound planner girl for now. I'm going to be adding my own shop planner pages. I do have a lot of them coming to the shop as well, so stay tuned for that. So I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog style video and a little planner video as well. Definitely let me know down below what you guys thought of my hair and the new rings here. Do you guys have a favorite? Gold, rose gold, black, or silver? If you enjoyed this video and you want to see more vlogs, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks again for watching, everyone, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!